you're probably feeling the buzz of the new year already. It's a good feeling, isn't it? A fresh start, a clean slate, another chance to make things right. But here's the thing, have you thought about what's really going to change in the new year? For most of us, the new year often looks like the old one. After a few days or weeks into the new year, same routines, same habits, and maybe the same frustrations. You go to work, take care of your family, handle a few errands, and try to squeeze in some personal time. But when was the last time you felt truly excited about your life? When was the last time you set a goal that really made you feel you were on your path to purpose? This year, I want you to do something different. Not because it's January and New Year, New Me sounds catchy, but because you deserve more. You deserve a life that feels purposeful, exciting, and meaningful. And trust me, it's not as hard as it seems. You don't need to overhaul your life overnight or have everything figured out. You just need to take the first step. Here's where I come in. I want to help you make this year the turning point. Maybe you're not sure where to start. Maybe you've got a ton of ideas in your head but no clear plan. Or maybe you're feeling stuck, overwhelmed, or even a little lost. That's okay. Let's figure out what really matters to you. What's that one thing, or maybe a few things you've always wanted to do but never got around to? Let's uncover your unique gifts, the talents and passions that make you who you are. I'll help you figure out these things and how to turn them into profits. So, here's the plan. Send me a message here or drop me an email at sopiansofgod@gmail.com. Let's set up a time to talk. You don't have to do this alone. I'm here to walk with you every step of the way. Let's make the new year the one where you stop dreaming about change and actually make it happen. Talk to you soon. Cheers! If you enjoy this post, kindly share with someone. Thanks for your support. Read next. It's the end of the year and things are still not working. Read this. Will you like to write a book? Share your story, ideas, or knowledge in a book? Now it's easier than ever. In 3 weeks, your book will be written and published. Send a message to bookmindsgmail.com.getbooks on Amazon, Amazon Books. If you want customized songs for you or your loved one's birthday, wedding, or any ceremony, Ize Music got you. Contact sopiansofgod@gmail.com. You can also check out these posts. 1. 9 ways to avoid distractions. 2. Making sense of our strengths. 3. The role of Africa in the ongoing wars. Democracy is a scam in Africa. Here's what works. L1. 5. What to do when you are confused. Kindly drop your comments. Remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.